Imagine a world where your crypto profits aren't drained by taxes. Now picture this. XRP hitting $10 because of it. Sounds wild, right? Well, today we're diving into one of the hottest debates shaking the crypto space. Could a potential zero capital gains tax send XRP and even Cardano soaring to new heights? Stick around, because we're unpacking all the twists, turns, and bold predictions that might just make tax policy the secret fuel behind the next crypto boom. Tired of fake gurus who claim to be expert traders but never trade live? I trade live on the second largest crypto exchange, where everything is transparent and results can't be faked. For over 440 days, I've consistently closed every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have seen over 70% profit with only 4% drawdown. Verified results, not empty claims. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in my profile and start copying my trades for free today. Here's the scoop. A popular crypto analyst from the Modern Investor YouTube channel recently lit up X with a bold claim. XRP could soon hit double digits. Yep, you heard it right. He's talking $10 per XRP. And he doesn't stop there. The key to this seismic shift? A game-changing policy move. It all hinges on a statement from Donald Trump suggesting a future where crypto investments might escape capital gains tax altogether. Let that sink in for a second. If this became reality, it wouldn't just be a small tweak. It could turn the entire crypto landscape upside down. Let's break it down and see just how this moonshot prediction might unfold. Capital gains tax. The rain cloud that every investor dreads. Every time you score a profit, a slice of it gets snatched away. For crypto enthusiasts, this can feel like a heavy weight holding them back. Now, imagine a world where every dollar you earn from crypto trades is yours to keep. More people might dive confidently into the crypto pool, holding onto their coins for longer and pumping more cash into their favorite projects. Sounds thrilling, right? Well, that's where things get really interesting. According to whispers from the modern crypto world, if the US government waves the green flag on tax relief, the impact could be massive. Picture this. Investors, big and small, will have one less reason to panic sell when the market gets rocky. Instead of fretting over hefty tax bills, they'd be more inclined to ride out the storms, betting on the long-term growth of their investments. It could be a game changer. Imagine this. Demand skyrockets, sending prices for crypto giants like XRP and Cardano through the roof. Sounds wild? Let's crunch the numbers for a second. XRP and ADA hitting $10 might seem like wishful thinking to some, but is it really? Cue the heated debates in the comments about market cap, because we all know that's coming. But here's the thing. When you factor in a tidal wave of investments from both institutions and everyday people, it doesn't feel so impossible, especially when you realize market cap is just noise. The real game? Supply and demand. We've already seen XRP's supply on exchanges shrinking. Now, picture a world where one of the biggest hurdles, capital gains tax, disappears. Suddenly, the incentive to invest shifts from tempting to downright irresistible. Could this be the perfect storm for XRP and ADA? Let's talk. There's a growing crowd of eager investors out there, ready to dive in. If only they didn't have to lose a chunk of their profits to taxes. Remember just a few months ago when Eric Trump, yes, Trump's own son, dropped a major hint? He suggested that US-based cryptocurrencies might get special tax perks. And no, that wasn't just casual talk. It could be a sneak peek into a much larger plan, giving American crypto assets like XRP a serious edge with preferential tax treatment. Meanwhile, crypto projects outside the US might still be stuck facing a hefty 30% tax rate. That's a massive gap, isn't it? It's a real game changer when you think about it. Now, take a moment and imagine the ripple effect of a policy shift like this. Picture this. Investors feel confident, knowing their gains are secure. That sense of trust could spark a chain reaction. More confidence means more investments, and more investments mean more money flowing into the market. The result? Prices start climbing. It's like hitting the turbo boost button for crypto. For XRP and Cardano, already stealing the spotlight, this could be the rocket fuel that sends them soaring to new heights. But here's the twist. This isn't just about charts and projections. It's about belief. When investors trust the system, they play the game, and they play big. We've seen it time and again in different industries. Remove a big barrier, and participation skyrockets, quickly followed by a surge in prices. Crypto, of course, is no stranger to wild swings. It's a playground of volatility. But it's also a space where a single policy change or regulatory shift can flip the script almost overnight. If you're sitting there thinking, why hasn't this happened already? It's worth remembering that crypto is like a high-stakes poker game. full of risks, unpredictability, and factors way beyond anyone's control. Take the idea of zero capital gains tax. It sounds like a dream scenario, right? But let's face it, getting the political and regulatory machinery to align is no small feat. Laws don't just roll out overnight. The process is messy, slow, and prone to delays. Yet, even the hint of such a change has already started buzzing through the crypto world, and that buzz is sparking real optimism. So why would this potential tax shift matter so much? Well, taxes can seriously take the wind out of an investor's sails. If you know half your profits could vanish the second you cash out, it's no surprise you'd think twice about diving in. But imagine lifting that burden. It's like opening a faucet that's been rusted shut for years. Suddenly, investment starts to pour in, and that money has to go somewhere. More often than not, it'll flow into assets already in demand, sparking even more growth. And this isn't just a theory, it's a pattern we've seen before, and one we could very well see again. It's rooted in some solid financial reasoning. Think about traditional investments like stocks and bonds. When governments roll out tax breaks for specific sectors, it often sparks a wave of new investments in those areas. The same logic applies to crypto. A supportive tax policy could eliminate one of the biggest hurdles keeping people on the sidelines. And since crypto is still in its infancy compared to established markets, even a small tweak in policy could trigger a massive ripple effect. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the human side of this. Because crypto isn't just about numbers or policies, it's about people. It's about the risk takers who've stepped into this uncharted financial landscape, betting on a future where their gamble pays off. Many of these investors aren't Wall Street pros. They're everyday people, drawn by the promise of life-changing returns and daring to dream big. For some, the promise of a tax break isn't just another policy update. It's a lifeline that nudges the dream of financial freedom one step closer to reality. But then there's the other side of the coin, right? The skeptics, the naysayers, they're always ready to sound off in the comment section below. And hey, a little caution isn't unwarranted, especially when grand predictions start flying around. Critics are quick to point out that banking on a potential tax policy change to drive prices is a gamble at best. The crypto market, after all, is as unpredictable as ever, like betting on a racehorse that looks flawless on paper, but might stumble just before the finish line. Still, the mere whisper of such a dramatic policy shift has already sparked a wave of excitement. It's created a buzz that's hard to ignore. Zooming out for a moment, it's clear that the idea of zero capital gains tax isn't just about making things easier for crypto investors. It's about reshaping the very foundation of the market itself. Tax policy is one of those rare levers of change that, when adjusted, can send ripples far beyond its intended reach. In this case, it's not just XRP or Cardano that stand to gain. It's the entire digital currency ecosystem on the brink of evolution. Imagine this. The US government decides to give American crypto a serious boost, recognizing its potential to supercharge the economy. By exempting US-based crypto assets from capital gains tax, they'd make a bold move to protect domestic interests and keep American companies and investors ahead in the global race. It would send a clear message to the world. The United States is here to lead and innovate in the digital economy. Such a policy could spark a seismic shift. Institutional investors who've been sitting on the sidelines due to murky regulations might finally jump into the crypto game. Big financial players, often scared off by heavy taxes and strict rules, could suddenly see crypto as their next golden opportunity. With the promise of massive returns and a friendlier tax environment, investment in projects like XRP and Cardano could skyrocket, setting the stage for a whole new wave of innovation and growth. Let's talk about retail investors, the everyday folks diving into the crypto space. For many, the allure of tax-free gains might just be the final push they need to take the leap. Suddenly, what once felt like an impossible hurdle now seems manageable, and the gates to the crypto market swing wide open. But this shift doesn't just benefit individual investors. It's a game changer for the entire market, fostering a more dynamic and diverse investor ecosystem. More players in the game mean more innovation and energy. Of course, with big opportunities come equally big challenges. The idea of zero capital gains tax is undeniably tempting. But policy changes are never simple. The political process is a labyrinth, and even with strong support from the crypto community, any proposal must navigate the maze of government bureaucracy. Tax policy has always been a hot-button topic, and you can bet any potential changes will spark heated debate. And let's not forget the global picture. If the US starts giving its crypto projects tax breaks, it could shake things up internationally. Non-US crypto players might find themselves at a disadvantage, hit with higher taxes and tighter regulations. A move like this could fracture the global crypto market, creating a divide that's hard to ignore. This could spark a major shift, where US-based projects set the gold standard while international ones scramble to keep pace. Such a change could completely reshape the competitive landscape, dictating which projects attract the most attention and investment. So, let's take a moment to consider what this might mean for XRP specifically. XRP has always been a lightning rod for controversy in the crypto world, right? Critics slam its centralized nature and regulatory hurdles, while fans champion its speed and efficiency for cross-border payments. But if new tax policies were to favor US-based crypto assets, XRP could be poised for a huge comeback. Investors might finally see it as a long-term hold, and its price could reach the jaw-dropping highs some analysts have been buzzing about. Think of the kind of numbers that make headlines and spark debates across forums. But here's the kicker: uncertainty. In crypto, nothing is ever guaranteed. A tax break sounds amazing, sure, but there are so many variables at play, and in this space, the only thing predictable is the unpredictability. Political shifts, global pressures, market moods, it's a waiting game, isn't it? The idea of XRP hitting $10 is thrilling, no doubt. It's the kind of story that sparks imaginations, yet it's also a reminder of just how unpredictable the crypto world can be. Now, imagine this. Breaking news hits. A groundbreaking announcement from the US government, capital gains tax on crypto, gone. Just like that. Picture the frenzy. Headlines blaring about a policy earthquake, posts on X lighting up like a crypto Christmas tree, the entire community buzzing louder than ever, investors rushing to reshuffle their portfolios, caught in the whirlwind of opportunity. In that single moment, all the debates, predictions, and strategies align. A tidal wave of buying crashes through the market. XRP, along with other cryptos, could soar, racing toward that elusive $10 milestone. This is the moment when speculation turns into reality, a game-changing flashpoint that could reshape the entire crypto world as we know it. The buzz wouldn't stop there. This news wouldn't just confirm the forecasts of some of the sharpest minds in crypto analysis, it would electrify the entire crypto community. Investors everywhere would feel the surge of excitement, optimism, and undeniable momentum sweeping through the market. The energy, absolutely contagious. It's a scenario straight out of a high-stakes thriller, where one bold government move triggers a chain reaction that reshapes the entire industry. Zero capital gains tax for US-based crypto assets? This isn't just a pipe dream. It's a potential game-changer with the power to redefine the crypto landscape. Imagine XRP and Cardano hitting $10. This monumental leap hinges on one pivotal policy shift. It's about tearing down the barriers that have kept investors on the sidelines, replacing hesitation with confidence, and fueling market growth like never before. Sure, there are challenges and uncertainties ahead, but even the possibility of such a shift has already sent ripples of excitement through the industry. The idea alone is enough to ignite debate and spark interest, proving once again just how transformative one decision can be for the future of crypto. Whether you're a crypto pro or just starting out, it's hard not to feel the buzz about where this industry could be headed, right? The next big move could change everything. The stakes? Massive. The risks? Very real. But the potential rewards? Absolutely mind-blowing. Just as some predict. If you're finding value in this video, hit that like button. Every like helps spread the word, bringing more people into the conversation. So let's get those likes soaring and shine a spotlight on XRP and Cardano. Want to stay ahead of the game with the latest news and in-depth analysis, not just on XRP and Cardano, but across the altcoin market? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button below. And hey, check out this video right here. It's a must-watch. You won't want to miss it.